Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's see how to make DIY laminated flashcards for kids. The first step is to prepare the sheets for lamination. We can either use handwritten sheets or go for a printed one. I have mentioned in my description some of the websites which offer free printable flashcards for personal use. Once the sheets are ready, cut them into equal size. If the cards are smaller, then it's pretty simple. Keep the cards in between the tape and secure it tightly on both the sides. Make sure that there are no air bubbles in between. Trim the extras. For bigger size cards, we do the lamination in layered approach. The only downside is that we can see a slight partition in the sheets. But these kind of lamination cards are more durable and we can use it for n number of learning activities. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.